This is a tutorial on how to use the Auctioneer Toolbox app during the lotting process. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into the app. You're going to use, for the server, you're going to use the domain of your website and your usual admin credentials to log in. Once you log in, you'll be presented with an auction list. This will show all open or upcoming auctions on your site. And if you see to the right, the blue oblongs, those will show the number of lots in each auction. If you don't see anything here, you don't see the auction you're looking for, just pull down and it will refresh. Or you can hit the button in the top right. That will also do the same thing. Now, if you click into your auction, you'll see all the items that are there. If you want to add one, you're going to click the file with the plus sign at the top right. Here you can add a consignor ID, lot numbers, and your lot sequence number, the lot title. You can select a template that you will have set through the lot templates on your website. You can add a description. You can select a category and add images. You can also reorder the images by clicking them in sequence. Once you're done adding this lot, you can just click the save button and it's going to show you the next lot. Now in the top box, it'll show you the last consignor ID that was used. So you can use the same consignor ID again. It'll show you the last lot number that was used, so you can use the next lot number in order. And you can add a title again, descriptions, select a category, and selecting add images will allow you to take photos again. And save. And you can see it increments again with the showing you the last lot that was used. If you go back, you see that you have two items here, each with 3 images. And we recommend that you do this every 5 lots or so. You will need to sync with your auction on your website. So you do that by pulling down. So now these lots that have been synced will be viewable in the review lots area of your site.